This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Bayshore Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, awning, stove top burner, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, slideout, smoke detector, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front living area, full wall slide, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle with OnGuard chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.